छोड़ पेड़ की छांव मुसाफिर, छोड़ पेड़ की छांव, देख दोपहरी ढलती जाती, छाया रूप बदलती जाती, सूरज घूम चला पश्चिम में, दूर बहुत है गांव मुसाफिर, छोड़ पेड़ की छांव मुसाफिर, छोड़ पेड़ की छांव. My dear friends, time has come when you have to leave the shadow of this beautiful tree called AAFT, ASMS, and you have to now get into the market to show your capacities and capabilities, all that what you have learned, all that what you have prepared, and all that what you have trained yourself. The age is, this whole affair is लंबी टेढ़ी क्रूर डगर है, लंबी टेढ़ी क्रूर डगर है, जग केवल अविराम स्थल है, रख दे अंगारों के मुख पर तू लोहे के पांव मुसाफिर, छोड़ पेड़ की छांव मुसाफिर, छोड़ पेड़ की छांव. The roads are not that lucrative the way they looks like. You have to really work hard to get into what exactly what you have planned for yourself. Whatever you've been desiring, it needs a lot of hard work and your total concentration to reach to those stages. Roads are curved, roads are long, and roads are full of unforeseen circumstances. That's what I'm trying to tell you in these 3 lines. बल पौरुष घुड़दौड़ यहाँ है, अमर सतत आराम कहाँ है, बाजी लगी हुई है पगले, फेंक विजय के पाम मुसाफिर, छोड़ पेड़ की छांव मुसाफिर, छोड़ पेड़ की छांव. Because every journey starts with what exactly you want to be in life. So it's very important that you should start thinking something bigger than what you can even thinking before. It's a high time. Today is the time when you have to start planning for yourself, and before planning, start dreaming big. Dreams are not the one which comes in your sleep. Dreams are the one which should never let you sleep. That's what is needed today. Yes, bigger the dream, bigger the expectations from your own self, and you're bound to be bigger than what you want to be. Imagine a son of a refugee who wanted to create a film city in this country with no resources, with no contacts, with no money, with nothing in hand. But today, what film city is all about can be a wonderful example for all of you, my dear friends. Keep that in mind, that if I can do it with no education and with no background, you are very well educated, very well trained in the same industry where you exactly want to be today. You can do wonders. You can show to the world. But the first thing is that you have to dream big.
Whatever we have given to you. What we want your success. Sir has already discussed about the encouragement. I will discuss about the passion. 2 case studies are there today with me right now. I have written my script. 2 seeds at the same time. One dahlia and second bamboo. Planted in the field. 2 बीज एक साथ बोए गए. एक डेलिया, टुडे इज द सीजन. सेकंड इज bamboo. Dahlia starts growing, and after 7 days it was ready. After 10 days flower was there. After 15 days it was flowing in the sky and saying to bamboo seed, lazy guy. After 20 days again lazy guy. 1 month lazy guy. 1.5 month lazy guy. It was shocking. He was completely silent. The life of Dahlia is only for 2 months. After 45 days, it starts retardation. And after 2 months, it was completely finished. means the beauty of dahlia, these are of very different types. You will feel proud when it will grow in your field. आपको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, बहुत अच्छा, और ये डिफरेंट कलर्स में होता है. लेकिन बैम्बू पर उसकी लाइफ कंप्लीट हो गई, कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा था. After 6 months, no change. After 1 year, no change. After 1.5 years, no change. After 2 years, no change. After 3 years, some changes are there. It started growing. What happens? In a year, it become 40 feet. In 2 years, it become 80 feet. Means everybody has the different beauty. You have to believe in you. You have to believe मेरा दिन भी आएगा. तो प्लीज रिमेंबर, मेरा दिन भी आएगा. The day will come, and with this beauty you have to keep your passion. Don't be discouraged. Definitely your day will come.
Today is your day, and now the new journey begins. Yeah, and I think with the Chancellor Sir's words, do you feel the magic here? Do you feel the energy, the positivity that we can all feel in this auditorium? And if you imbibe even 10% of what Sir has told us today, you will all be very highly successful. So keep this passion going. I think all of us sometime tired down with Sir leading us and holding the beacon. We are all following him because his energy is relentless. And that's what we expect from all of you. And on this note, I would like to just say a few lines. काम करो ऐसा कि पहचान बन जाए, काम करो ऐसा कि पहचान बन जाए, कदम उठाओ ऐसा कि निशान बन जाए. जिंदगी तो सभी जीते हैं, जिंदगी तो सभी जीते हैं, जिंदगी ऐसे जियो कि एक मिसाल बन जाए. I would just to conclude give you 3 suggestions that when every day you wake up, you should be very proud of whom you see in the mirror. And if you're not proud of that person, work on it. Be the best version that you can be. Yeah? Secondly, be grateful. Have your heart full of gratitude for the people who have worked for you. Have gratitude for your parents, for your elders. As Sir also mentioned, believe in everybody around you. Be thankful. Believe in them, and have your heart full of gratitude for your colleagues, your fellow members, for your teachers, for your mentors, because they have been working for you and with you and for your benefit. Lastly, do not be scared of the failures. There's nobody in this world who has succeeded 100% in all of his or her endeavors. So don't be scared, try another time. And whenever failure happens, it gives you a new opportunity. So whenever you feel low, pull up yourself and say, okay, I'm ready, try me.
आप लोगों को आपके द्रोणाचार्य सब कुछ सिखा चुके हैं. अब युद्ध कैसे लड़ना है, ये सब की अपनी शैली आपको विकसित करनी होगी, और फील्ड में ये तय करना होगा कि कैसे आप उस युद्ध को जीत सकते हैं. सब कुछ सीख चुके हैं, मतलब आपको रियल वर्ल्ड के लिए तैयार कर दिया गया है कि किसी भी तरह की सिचुएशन में आपको किस तरह से रिएक्ट करना है, किस तरह से काम करना है. जैसा सर बता चुके हैं कि आपको ये तय करना है कि आपको गुड़हल बनना है या फिर आपको बैम्बू की तरह बढ़ना है. धीरे धीरे ही सही, लेकिन लास्ट तक आपको काम करते हुए बढ़ना है. सबकी अपनी ब्यूटी है. आपको ये तय करना है कि जीवन में जब आप युवा हैं तो आपको कितनी मेहनत और करनी है. मैं आपको एक जर्नलिस्ट के तौर पर ये ज़रूर बता सकती हूँ कि आप अगर मेहनत कर रहे हैं और लगातार कर रहे हैं तो यकीन मानिए रिज़ल्ट मिलने में थोड़ी देरी हो सकती है, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि आपको रिज़ल्ट उसके पॉजिटिव ना मिले. लगातार आप जो इतने सालों से सीख के आए हैं, क्रिएटिव वर्ल्ड में हैं आप, और इसी क्रिएटिव वर्ल्ड के ज़रिए आप पूरी दुनिया के ब्रेन को चेंज कर सकते हैं. आप सोचिए, आप सोचने की लोगों की शक्ति को कहीं ना कहीं चेंज कर सकते हैं कि वो किस तरह से पॉजिटिव वे में सोचें. क्रिएटिव लोगों का काम होता है लोगों को सोचने के लिए मजबूर करना, लोगों को मजबूर करना कि वो अच्छे डिसीजन लें, लोगों को ये दिखाना कि वो गलत क्या कर रहे हैं.
All the graduates also for gaining this degree after 3 years and after 1.5 year for diploma. I'll just take few minutes of your time. If I tell you that the hospitality after COVID is booming, it is still booming. You can become the entrepreneur of your own. You can become the owner. If you are traveling by flight, you can become an air hostess, or you can become a flight attendant. If you are traveling by roads, you can become a owner of the resort. You can become the owner of a hotel or motel. If you are traveling by rail, obviously you can work with IRCTC and gain good salary. If you are working in the ocean, okay, you can work as a cruise liners. So we have covered all the modes of transport. So you can see hospitality is everywhere. I'm here because of hospitality. You're sitting there and giving me hospitality. If you move out from this premises, there'll be hospitality. There are a lot of hawker shops. There are a lot of dhabas, restaurants where you will have a cup of tea or maybe a cold drink after this ceremony. Okay, for hotel management students, I like to say that by in future they have a very good opportunity. Why? The reason behind by 2030 or 40, okay, India is still not in that level. The Singapore government have tied up with Taj Sets. They are preparing a new cuisine. You must have heard about continental cuisine, Asian cuisine, Chinese cuisine, right? About this food. But if you don't know, by 2030 and 40, a new cuisine is starting, which is known as node by node cuisine. You can research. It is done by French scientist Mr. Harley Thiss. We are in contact with them. It is a cuisine where amount of microorganism like micronutrients, okay, it will be enough for one person to consume because of the shortage of food. So I like to say to please make sure you save food, save water. So they have already, if you search also, the countdown have already begun. By 2040, there will be a lot of shortage of food, and this node by node cuisine will be one of the food which will be serving in hotel industry. Right? So even being as an executive chef, also I like skilled laborers. Okay, if you didn't get the placement, okay, being as an executive chef, I have the right to hire skilled laborers from hotel management students also. Of course, from other departments also, if they have a good communication skills, you can contact your department. Mr. Priyesh is there as a HOD, right? Mr. Priyesh is there and Mr. Shadab is there, correct? And can I see the hotel management student? Okay, so I think you will have the right skills so that I can hire you, and I hope you all replaced. The placement is done 90% or 100% or 110%. They're working, okay, good. So if any help you require from my side, okay, I'll surely help you, and you can contact your HODs. Thank you very much.
साथियों, आज की ये शाम हम सबके आपके बेसिकली जीवन का एक वो पल है जहाँ से एक युद्ध शुरू हो रहा है. इसको आगे कौन ले जाएगा, किस स्तर पे लेकर जाएगा, वो आज से आरंभ हो रहा है. जब मैंने अपना BFA क्लियर किया था लखनऊ आर्ट कॉलेज ऑफ आर्ट से, एक डर था अंदर कि बाहर दिल्ली एक बहुत बड़ा शहर होता था हमारे समय में, कि जो दिल्ली गया मतलब उसने दुनिया जीत ली. एक डर रहता था. लेकिन 3 चीज़ें हैं जो आपका पाथ डिफाइन करती हैं. ऑनेस्ट, be honest to yourself, your work, whatever you do, do the best. Determination, I have to do it. And third and most important thing to survive in art or any creative field is meeting deadlines. 3 things अगर आप उसके ऊपर कंट्रोल कर लेते हैं, जो मेरे लाइफ का सबसे ज़रूरी पार्ट या जो मेरा रूल रहा, बेस्ट एंड ऑन टाइम. 2 चीज़ें. आप अगर इन दो चीज़ों के लिए अचीव करने के लिए अपने आप को मोटिवेट कर रहे हो, वो पैशन है, यू विल अचीव।
कर्म किए जा फल की चिंता मत कर, तू इंसान जैसे कर्म करेगा वैसे फल देगा भगवान। ये अपने ज़िंदगी में मान के चलिए, यही सत्य है, दूसरा कोई सत्य नहीं है। आप कर्म करते रहिए, मत सोचिए क्या होने वाला है, क्योंकि जो होना है वो भी निश्चित है। आप यहाँ होंगे, ये भी डेस्टिनी ने ही ऑर्डेन किया होगा, और मैं यहाँ आऊँगा, जिसके लिए मैं ग्रेटफुल हूँ मारवा साहब को कि मुझे एक मौका दिया आपके दीक्षांत समारोह में आने का, और अपने एक्सपीरियंस से कुछ बात करूँ जो शायद आपको इंस्पायर कर दे। लेकिन मुझे नहीं लगता कि इंस्पिरेशन बहुत बड़ा रोल खेलता है। अलेक्जेंडर पोप ने कहा था, सक्सेस इज 99% perspiration and 1% inspiration. Mark my word. 99% you have to work very hard. Then probably that 1% inspiration will help you to stick to that.